Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have DYSON Zone headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily manually set your location in your app. Let's get started. First we have to open our My DYSON app and then go into the settings by clicking this gear icon over there. Now we have to go into product settings and we have to scroll down. Now we have to disable our automatically set location and we have to click city town. Now we can search for our town or city. Our will be Kraków, Lesser Poland, Poland. We just have to click on it and click update. Now our location has been updated. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.